In today's video, I'm sharing over 50 services that can help you manage your projects, collaborate with clients, organize your files, and more, going from free to up to $40 a month. Starting with project and client management tools. These tools will help you automate your client onboarding process, track projects, contracts, and payment processes. There's Dubsado, Honeybook, 17 Hats, Asana, ClickUp, HubSpot, Teamwork, Indie, and Fiverr Workspace. There's also Notion and Streak CRM for Gmail. You can use the following extensions or tools for contracting and money management, such as EverSign, SignEasy, Dropbox Sign. For money management, which handles invoicing and accepting payments, there's Wave Apps, Square, Stripe, PayPal for Business, QuickBooks Self-Employed, and Zoho Books. For business banking, you can get debit cards and manage your taxes with Lily, Novo, and Found. For time tracking and scheduling, there's Cal.com, Calendar, TidyCal, ToggleTrack, Harvest, Pomelo App, Clockify, Calendly, and Notion Calendar. For Notion Calendar, if you use Notion for content creation, you'll be able to see your scheduled posts from here, plus any Zoom meetings or your personal calendar, like Google Calendar. For collaboration and communication, there's Slack, Google Meet, Zoom, Fireflies, and use this to transcribe and summarize the meetings on Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack. You can also integrate it with Google Calendar, Outlook, Zapier, Dropbox, Trello, and Notion. Other tools you can use are Voxer, Trello, Cage, Monday.com, Notion, Dropbox Paper, which is included with your Dropbox account. For forms, there's Tally, and this is what I use for contact forms on my website, and there's also Google Forms. For email management, there's Google Workspace and Streak CRM for Gmail. To work with clients, there's Upwork, Fiverr, Contra. I couldn't find a price for this one, but there's a free version that comes with a portfolio, invoicing, contracting, and project management. There's also Wellfound for tech startups, Craigslist, LinkedIn services, and you will use this just like you're setting up a open to work banner from your profile page. Watch this video here to find the best freelance websites for coders, video editors, and designers. For file organization, documentation, and backup, there's Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, Notion, and Backblaze. You will use this to back up all your computer files. Once you install the software, it will run in the background for you. For workflow automation, you can speed up your workflow with Zapier, Make, and If This Then That. These tools integrate with Slack, Dropbox, MailChimp, and more. For browser extensions, there's Go Full Page, which takes a screenshot of the full page of the website that you're on. There's Print Friendly. You can download the PDF version of any web page. And then there's Grammarly to improve your writing. The extension is free, but to get the premium features, you will need the $12 a month plan. For security and protection, there's Mullvad and NordVPN for VPNs. And for password managers, there's Bitwarden and 1Password. To showcase your portfolio, projects, and services, you have Notion sites. You can create a site just like you're using Notion, and you can just publish it to the web. There's Milanote, which is what I'm using now, Figma, Card. Before I set up my WordPress website, this is what I use for a one-page website. There's also Squarespace and WordPress. And the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org is .com is a hosted service and it handles the updates and backups for you, versus .org is self-hosted, so you choose your web host and you also update and back up your website. For web and domain hosting, there's Namecheap, which offers domains and WordPress hosting, SiteGround, Bluehost. And to check what's available with domains and social media profiles, there's Namecheck. For content management and writing tools, there's Notion, Asana, ClickUp, Google Docs, Evernote, Workflowy, Grammarly, Power Thesaurus, and Google Keep. For email marketing, there's Substack, and you can use this for emails with unlimited subscribers, videos, podcasts, blogs, plus connect with your audience through notes, chats, and comments. There's also MailerLite, ConvertKit, Beehive, and Podia. For graphic design, there's Affinity Designer, Photo, or Publisher, and they're having a deal right now where it's 50% off, or you can sign up for a 6-month trial. There's also Canva and Adobe Express. For recording and editing your videos and podcasts, there's the Script, Riverside, OBS, ScreenPal, Canva, CapCut, and DaVinci Resolve. For royalty-free music, stock photos, and videos, there's Pixabay, Pexels, Unsplash, Shopify, Mixkit, Upbeat, Yarn, and Giphy. To schedule your social media posts, if your social media app doesn't have in-app scheduling, you can use Buffer, Planoly, or CoSchedule. To sell digital products, subscriptions, and memberships, there's Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-fi, Substack, Patreon, Gumroad, WooCommerce for WordPress, PayHip, Card, ConvertKit, Koji, StanStore, and Podia. For affiliate marketing networks, there's Amazon Associates, Impact, CJ Affiliate, ShareASell, and PartnerStack. To learn new skills, try Udemy, YouTube, Allison, Coursera, and this is free without the certificate. There's also free Codecamp, and to volunteer your services and add these projects to your portfolio, there's Taproot, Catchafire, and 48 and 48. I volunteered before with 48 and 48. This is sort of like a hackathon where you work with nonprofits to build a WordPress website in a weekend. So if you have digital marketing, UX or UI, WordPress designing skills, or copywriting skills, you can sign up at 48and48.org to become a volunteer. For freelancing blogs, there's Milo, the Freelance Gig, and Freelancers Union. You can learn more about business insurance, health insurance, and taxes. And last but not least, there's AI tools to speed up your workflow with ChatGPT, and you can add extensions like Perplexity, Harper AI, or Keywords Everywhere.